Hey guys, Alan from ReveMoto. Today we're going to be working on a 2019 Honda CRV end cap. It fits from 2017 to 2019. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the push notification and hit that like button. And also, if you guys need any prepaid auto body parts, go to ReveMoto.com. Let's go ahead and get started on this vehicle. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is going to go ahead and open up that tailgate. Alright, so you can see on top right here, right there, there's a bolt right there and a bolt down here. So that's gonna be a T30 Torx bits. So they look like that. So the next thing we're gonna do is gonna go ahead and move to the side. I'm gonna take off the trim pieces over there. All right, with a Phillips screwdriver like this, there's gonna be a screw right down here. So let me get you guys a little bit up closer. That's where that bolt or that screw is right there. I'm gonna take that off. It looks like that. Alright, so we're going to remove this trim piece right here. Open the door. Just going to go ahead and yank it. It should come right off. So that's how it looks like. So we're just getting it off these clips right here. But if this thing falls off, go ahead and insert it back in. So right here, you're going to take it off with a Phillips screwdriver right here. And also if you guys have a pattern remover tool like this, or if you guys have a flathead screwdriver, that'll work also right here. So let's go ahead and take this off. So it looks like that. That looks like that. So you can go ahead and use some force. So right underneath here is going to be another screw. I'm going to go ahead and take that off. It looks like that. Alright, now that we're done with this side, I'm gonna go and go to the other side and go ahead and do the same exact thing. All right, spoke too soon. We're actually missing a trim piece right here, so it's not the exact same thing. But if we did have the trim piece, it would be the exact same thing as we did on the other side. So since we already have the trim piece off, I'm gonna go ahead and take off the screw right here and also the little tab right there. Alright, since we're only taking this piece off, I'm gonna go ahead and put our arm right here and pull right here. And you just hear that clip coming off. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and pull the same way we did on the other side. Alright guys, if you guys need the whole bumper taken off, all you guys got to do now is go down underneath here. There's going to be two or three more clips, and they look like this. And they're just one right here and one right here. So 2 to 4, roughly around the area. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and pull it back a little bit. I'm going to use this tool right here to take off those clips. So right behind, take this tool right here or 2 flathead screwdriver and take that clip off. So look like that. So now all you're gonna do is gonna pull the bumper back. Alright, there go your end cap right there. So basically all it is that there's clips that you're trying to pull back on from here. Alright, so now we got our brand new one. All you're gonna do is line it up with the holes right here. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and line up the holes right here with these clips. Get that clip right there. Put it back in place. Alright, so now that cap is fixed, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the bumper on. So make sure it goes over this rail right here. Push it into place. Start off on one side. Alright, so we're gonna start from one side. We're gonna clip it back into place. Put the screw right here and also the screw down there. Let's get started. Don't forget about that trim piece. So make sure you line up the prongs with the holes first before you start putting it in. And on this end right here, it's gonna go behind the mud flap or the fender liner. We're gonna put the screw down there. Remember, the mud flap goes underneath the bumper. Alright, same thing on this side. We're gonna go ahead and clip it into place. And we'll put the screws, the push pin right here, and also the pin down there. So I was gonna put this screw down here, but I forgot the customer still needs to bring us the fender liner over here, or the, I'm sorry, not fender liner, the trim piece over here. There's also one last screw over here that we forgot to put back into place. Alright, so last thing is gonna be those T30 Torx bits right here, right here, and right here. Remember, the bigger ones go on the bottom. The smaller head ones go on top. Alright guys, so that's how you install a 2017-2019 Honda CRV rear bumper end cap. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Turn on push notification and also get all your pre-painted auto body parts at ReveMoto.com. Thank you.